Hello everyone and welcome to Tomatillo Island. As you can see, today is a rainy day on my island here. So let me see, I think I have an umbrella in my pockets, but I don't know if I should use the umbrella or if, you know what, let me see if I have a rain hat or something to wear. Because I still haven't built any of the wands there. So I still have to do this manually. So let me put all the stuff I don't need here into my inventory. And let me move things around a little bit. I apologize for my voice, but from the other day that I was getting a sore throat, I did actually get sick. So, but that's okay, it happens. All right, so let me see here. What can I do think, oh, here's one. Actually, I have two, so let's just put anything here. Let me see if I have a rain hat. Oh, I do. Okay, let's wear the pink one. And let me see. I think I do have rain boots as well. Let me just check. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right. Now I can go tackle the rain. All right. So I did manage to order the windmill and other things. So let me see how, well, I pretty much know where I'm going to wear it, but let me see if I can find, oh, here is my money tree. Let me grab that. Okay, so let me grab another 10 here. And then I can go bury it. Okay, well, at least I don't have to worry about my flowers today. All right, let's head this way and see if I can find my fossils. Oh. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Was she gonna give me a reaction? Oh, it is. Okay. Aggravation reaction. Thanks, Dottie. Okay. I think there's a fossil over here. Let's see if I can find who is DIYing. Okay. I do have to get rid of some stuff in my pocket. Oh, I forgot to put this into inventory. All right. Let's grab this. You know what? Let me put this flower that I have here over here. All right. And let's head here and see. This guy inside his house. I think he is. Let's see if he's the one cooking or DIYing. We'll see. Nope, he's just staying inside from the rain. Okay, let's just say I want to chat because right now I don't have nothing to give him or anything. So, oh, but guess which missile's on fire? Oh boy. I don't know. Let's just say triceps. How did you know? I think any answer would have, he would have said, oh yeah, you're right. All right. Well, I gotta head to the rain, so I'll see you later, bud. All right. I'll do my rocks after. All right, since I'm here, let me go sell these wasps so I get a little bit more space in my pocket still. Right, is there, ooh, there's a camera here. Okay. I have budget. Let's buy this. Ooh, it's expensive. Oh well. Hopefully, I don't know if I have a money tree today, because I know there's one day I forgot to plant the tree. So we'll see. Okay. Oh, there's more. Let's see here. Okay, well, at least I'm ranking up some miles, which is great. Okay. Oh, shoot. I forgot. I forgot to sell the wasps. Hold on. I gotta go do that. All right. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. So this one... Oh, I only have one for now, but that's fine. Okay, well. Alright. If I catch the other ones after when I shake my tree, I'll be able to sell some more. But for now, that's what it is. Okay. So, let's see here. See if I can find my other fossils. And I gotta go plant this tree. Oh, there's Marshall. Oh, let's see what this is. There we go, another fossil. Okay, let me go plant this tree. Oh, here's another one. Oh, good. At least I have a money tree today, which is great. Nope. So I can get a little bit extra bells from there. I don't know why I removed that thing. It's okay, let me chop it. Okay, so I can see that Sasha is inside her house. Sorry, his house. Okay. All right, okay. Let me head there and see if he's the one doing anything here. And then I still have to find 2 more fossils. And oh boy, but I don't have space in my pockets yet. Okay, hold on. No. We're supposed to be taking this off. Come on. There we go. All right, let me plant this. Oh, I forgot to ask Timmy and Tommy what the price of turnips was. What was I gonna do? Just put this on the floor since I removed the other one. Okay. The windmill too, I wanted to put it around his house, so I think, let's see if I have space here. Where is it? And then I have to figure out where I want to put the phone box. There we go. All right. Good. All right. Let's go in and see if he's the one cooking or DIYing. I'll see. Nope. I guess he's just hibernating from the rain too. Oh look, he's got the little teddy bear that they're selling to me and Tommy's today. Imagine I buy another one and I give him the exact same thing. Okay, so no, he's not the one doing anything. But at least I got these miles, which is great. I'll get those when hitting rocks. Oh, And once I go to the museum, I'll get the coffee one as well. Okay, so I guess everybody's inside from the rain, except for myself running around. And the little... Okay, so she's the one cooking. What are you making? Cherry smoothie, of course. I mean, at least it's a good one, but I'm still missing peaches and cherries. So I think I'm gonna have to start buying some owl tickets, because eventually maybe I'll find peaches and cherries in one mysterious island. Okay, so let's see here. I'm still missing 2 fossils. That's right, 2 fossils. Let me learn this. Oh, and I have to find my message in the bottle as well. I didn't check on the other side to see if it was around there. But let's go this way and see. Okay, no, it doesn't look like it's anywhere around here. Okay, let me just see around here if by any chance there's a fossil. I don't see anything. Oh, wait, here's one. Let's go get this one. So I'm gonna be missing 1. Okay, let me just take a quick pick on this side, but I don't think so. It would have been easy, but no. Okay, whoops. All right, so let's head this way and see. I mean, I did run around here. I didn't see anything. But, you know. All right. Oh, there's CJ. Okay. You know what? It's a good thing he's here, because maybe I'll catch some fish and sell it for him, because I need bells. Maybe today I'll donate another 10, but I'm not donated that much. Let's see here. I don't know if I have one of these. I know I have this. Let's see here. I like these little acorn knit caps. Maybe this, but I'm not gonna wear it right now. Oh no thanks. It's raining. All right. Let's keep it going. So I'm not gonna go crazy looking for the other fossil. If I find it eventually, once I start doing my dailies, I'll take care of it then. Oh, here it is. See? I was like, nope, not doing it. But here it is. Unless it's another gyro. Ooh, it's raining harder. You know what? Maybe I should do some fishing. Isn't there like a fish that you can only get when it's raining? Plus CJ's here, so maybe I'll get lucky. All right, let's me head to the Blathers here. And then I'll go get a cup of coffee, since it's gonna give me extra smiles. Extra miles, sorry. Okay, wiki. Okay, SS fossils here, please. Let's see if there's anything new or if it's all repeats. No, they're all repeats. That's fine. Extra bells for me, because I need them, so that's all good. I'm fine. I don't know if I have to go to the campsite today. Yeah, I don't think so. I think the other painting that was there for red, I think it was fake. So I don't think it was the real thing. But I'll see. Maybe after when I'm doing my dailies, I'll go check again, but I don't know. I'll see. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me drink this so I can get my miles. And then I can keep going. Okay. All right. So, there we go. I got my miles, which is great. Then I'm going to go sell these so I can get rid of this in my inventory and have the extra pocket space. And then I'll do a little bit of fishing and see what I can get. I'm sure there's a couple of bugs around, but I think I already caught a snail, so I don't think I need that one anymore. It's just gonna be a pretty calm day on the island. Okay, let's see here. I want to sell, and let me sell all of this. There we go. Oh, and I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that phone booth. Sold. Perfect. Oh, good. More miles. Fantastic. All right, let's see here. Okay, so I got this one and this one. And what is this? Taking a picture, catch a pill bug. And then, okay, so I will do maybe some diving. Okay, let's see if I can find goldfish. I don't know, there's nothing. Oh, here's one. There we go. Red snapper. Ooh, nice. Gave me a recipe. That's great. Okay. Because yeah, these past few days I have... Ooh, here's one. Okay, I'll grab it after. Haven't really been cooking anything. I just did my dailies and turned it off. Ooh, here's my bottle. Let's see what I got. Hopefully something new. Let's see here. Bamboo candle holder. Perfect, that's new. Okay, here's another fish. A squid. Okay, another recipe. Perfect. All right. Okay, so these ones I can get rid of by making the recipes, I guess, if I have everything I need. But I'll check it out. Because, yeah, I have to give more food to... Oh, another squid. Okay. No new recipe because I already have one. Okay, in the meantime, too, I have to figure out where I'm going to put this phone booth. Oh, no. I missed one. Oh, here's a teeny weeny one. Let's see. Okay. This one I can sell to CJ. Let's see. This one's a small one. Oh, I should have checked if I had more space in my pockets. I didn't check. And horse mackerel. Figures, see? That's okay. All right. So let me head to the kitchen and see. Actually, let me check now. What are the recipes that I got? So flour. Oh, I got 2 squid ink, spaghetti, and curry. This one I can make. This one I can't. All right. Also, I want to start putting... Oh, here it is. What's this? Okay, I don't have space right now. Let me try to figure out where I can put this phone booth here. Maybe around here. Let's see if I put it here. Does it look like... And I think I want to make another garden bench or something. So let's build that. Let's see. Because I think I've only built one so far, the one that's next to Marshall's house. Oh, and I got that the other day too, which is great. I should make one of these too. It's not the angled one, but maybe if I find one that's pretty straightforward. Okay, here it is. I'll see maybe what other colors I can change it to. Let's see here. Navy blue, red, silver. Maybe silver. Let's try the silver. Okay, let's put it here. I feel like I want to plant some shrubs here. One here and one there. But no. Okay. Let me head here to make that recipe with that fish. Since I have everything I need. Okay, so I actually make more stuff too. But where is it? The one, here we go. Let me see what else I can make here. Oh, bamboo shoots. No, I gotta save my bamboo shoots for now. Is there something I haven't made? Oh, okay, let's do this. Let me see. No, I don't really have a lot of pocket space left. Menu chalkboard. All right, so let me head to where I want to put this camera here. I think I'm gonna put it around my area. Maybe I'll do a little stool and put it somewhere. You know what? Let's put it here. Let me just build another stool. I don't know if I'm gonna customize it, maybe different color. There is that little stool. See if I can customize in different colors. Actually, maybe cherry wood. Okay, let me put it around here. Try putting it here. No? Oh, lantern. There we go. And then let me put these quids into my inventory so I can get rid of it in my pocket and get rid of the other branches too. They're full. And all of these. Mind you, now that you can access what's it called, your inventory, I don't think we need to be carrying all this stuff like before. So I guess that's a positive thing. But I guess it's a force of habit too, to just have everything in your pockets. All right, let's see here. And like this, I think I could probably put in my storage, because if I need to customize it, I should be able to access it from my inventory. Let's see here. I just need to mute for myself for a second here because I need to cough. Sorry about that. All right, so let's see here. All right, let me go put my wetsuit on, and then we are gonna go diving for sea creatures. Where am I going? There we go. All right. So I can get the miles for this. Oh, this is it's not moving, so see if I can see anything here. Oh, here's one. This is a small one. Okay, so a sea slug. Let's see here. Where are they? Whoop. Oh, let me get out of the water and go on the other side. Here. Is there anything around here? So far, it's just raindrop. Wow. Oh, here's one. Okay. So a sea star, but nothing new. Okay, well, you know what? At least I got the miles. Well, let me get out of the water. Let me take this off. Mind you, I could have left it on because it's raining, so. All right, let's see. All right. Let me head here. Oh, actually, can I give him some food? Since I'm here, might as well. Yes, this is for you. Let's see what he's gonna give me. Explorer shirt. Okay, let me head this way and see. I'm still debating if I should put a bridge in front of the tailors, like in this area over here, or if I should just leave it. But I don't know, I'm still undecided. But after this, I'm gonna give Sasha my other plate here that I have prepared. And then I'll head to resident services to see if there's anything good for sale. Oh, look at all the food I've given him. Do you want this? Let's see. What do I have? Fishy, fishy. Oh, a chef's outfit. I feel like I've been getting a lot of those lately. But he's eating a donut. Okay. Enjoy the donut. Alright, so let me head into resident services now and see if there's anything good there. And anything new items. Oh, look, there's another fossil over here. Oh, so maybe they're gyroids. There was another one near Fang's house. Oh, no, this is a fossil. I guess I forgot one from another day. Look at that. She's motivated. She's working out in the rain. All right. Good for her. Okay, let's see. I guess I forgot to check this yesterday. Mind you, I wasn't feeling great, so I did really the bare minimum. So not surprising at all. Okay, is there anything else I can order? You know what? Maybe I can order some more street lamps. And what else? Flower bed. I don't have one of those. And a park clock. This one's pretty expensive too. Let's see. Okay, let's do a flower bed. And what was the other one? Maybe another street lamp. I don't want to go too crazy ordering a bunch of stuff here. Maybe another one and that's it. At least for today. Just don't want to be wasting all my miles in one shot. Okay, and let's see what's for sale. Next shopping. Let's see here. Ooh, I like this. Okay, let's get it. Let's see what else. No, I already checked these. Whoopee cushion for April Fools. All right, let's get a whoopee cushion. Why not? And I think that's it for now. Okay, let me go deposit a little bit of loan payment here. No, maybe I should do a little bit more. Let's do 20. There we go. I mean, it's still in the twos, so I'm still a bit far from it, but that's okay. Every penny counts towards my home payment, so it works. Okay, let me see. Is there anything? No, I don't have any more food, but let me see if I can make anything else. Okay, let's see here. Some French fries. And is there anything else I can make? Some bread. Some brown sugar cupcakes. Oh, I need flour. Okay, you know what? Let's make some flowers. Not some flowers, some flour. At least I don't have to worry about watering my plants today. Okay, let's see here. Let's make some flour. And then we'll make some sugar crepes. Wait, let's see. Oh, I have this too. Bread gratin. Oh, now I can make this and this. Okay, let's make this first. What else? And this. So I think I already made 2. So if I have 1, have I made this before? No, this is brand new. All right, let's do this. And I think there's another one here, the plain cupcakes. Oh, okay. I don't have space. That's fine. All right. Since Dottie's here, let me give her something right away. Ooh. Yeah, it's pouring. Ooh. She's gonna freak out if it doesn't stop. Okay. Let's do the squid ink curry. Are you gonna give me a box skirt uniform? Okay. Is there anybody else around here that I could give some food to? Gail was cooking something, so maybe we'll go and give her something. Let's see here. I noticed I gave her 2 of the same thing the other day. This is for you. Don't worry, this one's gonna be different. Let's give her some spaghetti. What's a peanut for? Oh, it's a shirt or clothing? Okay, I don't know what it is, but thank you. All right, let's head here. I already gave something to Fang. Let me see if Marshall is inside his house. No, he was walking around and it's not there. What about Bruce? Bruce is inside his house. Let's see. Let's see here. He's just hiding out from the rain. Okay, let's see. You want this. What can I give him? It's either French fries or this. Let's just give him this. Okay, pajama dress. All right, thank you. Okay, there is something. What is this? Let me see what it looks like. Place item. Oh, it looks like the one I have around my house, I think. Does it? Because I want to start putting these little guys a little bit all over the island, but I think I need to make a what's it called? A little stool for him. If I can put it next to the other stool. No, I don't need to customize. I need to build. Customize something. Why do I keep selecting customizing? Let's craft. Okay, let me do that little, this one. Log stool. And I'm gonna keep it that color. Let's see if I can put it in front here. Should I just put this guy or should I go C? You know what? Let's just keep it this guy for now. Here we go. That's not too bad. Everywhere I walk, they're gonna be like squeaking or bubbly or whatever they do. Actually, no, the one I have around my house, I think rattles. I think. And then, let's see. I'll eventually have to put one little guy over here too. But that's fine. All right. See, this one's rattle. It rattles. All right, so it's a bit different, so that's fine. Let me just put everything I have in my pockets into my inventory. And let's see here. The last thing I may do is just go and take the boat tour and see. And yeah, I think after that, I'm just gonna do my dailies for today. And that's it. But let's see here. Let me just head to the boat tour and see if there's anything interesting today. If not, then that's fine. As long as I get like a new recipe or DIY, like it makes me happy. Let's see here. I still haven't worked or done anything in the hotel, but I will eventually get to it. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Let's see if it's gonna be raining wherever he takes me. Let's see here. Oh, castaways. Little boat chain. He's like, rain or shine, I'll take you anywhere. He's just fun in the sun. Okay. Oh. Oh no, it's still raining. I thought for a second there he was gonna take me somewhere where... Is it stopping? It looked like clear skies. So yeah, maybe it is. Wherever he's taking me, it's not raining. Let's see here. Where did you take me? It would be great to find peaches or cherries, since I'm still missing those, but no, it's pears again. Boo. Come on, you could have taken me to an island with cherries or pears. Oh, let's see here. Let's see. Well, let's hope it's something new at least. Chocolate Harrington wall. Okay. Well, it's something new, so, you know. And everything else is pretty much the same, so... No, I wanted cherries or pears or something. Not pears, sorry. Peaches or cherries. Because those are the ones I'm still missing. Okay, you know what? Let me just grab the gyro here and then I'll head back. Because really... I don't need pears. I have pears on my island. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, take me. At least you gave me... I found a DIY that I didn't have, so that's all right. But I do wonder sometimes, I'm like, since I'm missing cherries and peaches, I know I haven't done a lot of, what's it called? Like I haven't used a lot of Nook Mile tickets just because obviously they're expensive and I didn't have that many. So I haven't visited a lot of like mystery islands, I guess. But I do wonder if I'm ever gonna find peaches or cherries there. I mean, I guess I'll find out eventually. Because I think I do want to replace I feel like Dottie and Gail still have the initial homes that I build. So I think eventually I'm gonna have to replace those two. But obviously, if I replace Gail or Dottie, I don't know. I may have to replace Sly. So I don't know. I'm still undecided in that way. I mean, she hasn't asked to leave, but if she does ask to leave my island, she does have like the first homes. Like her house doesn't look that way, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm going to end this video here for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Bye.